my God. I tried this game when it got released, and it was such a shitty experience. Now, it's mid 2021, and the latest code should be amazing. So this game got updated, installed everything, and I tried this one. Stern's Batman 66. Less is more. Empty playfield. Everything, empty. Yay, stand-up targets. Empty. This little ramp is gonna break every time I hit it. Less is more philosophy sucks. The music, the jazz music from the 60s sucks. I can't believe how shitty experience this game was back then and is right now. Oh my God, it's so bad.
A warm, serene afternoon
Oh my God.
in Gotham City.
Oh my God, this game is made for a 90-year-old guy. It's such a shitty experience. Wow, man. No code can't save everything. Now, I like Stern games. I love to play Stern games, guys. Stern. I really like Stern, but wow, this one sucks. It sucks donkey's ass. Listen to this. Visual 50% and audio the other 50%. The audio, my ears are bleeding. Listen to this. Oh man, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. Holy macaroni, I don't care about the rule set, the code. Now, some of you guys that love less is more will hate this video, and it's okay, but come on, guys. Batman 66, they're not made so many of them, and they I would rather own everything else than this, man. The audio, I just wanna my ears are bleeding. Wow, man. Stern, stop coding this game. This is junk. This is empty. Let me shoot it a couple of times. Oh man, oh, it's... Yay, ram shot. A not something shot. Oh my, oh my ears. That's my review of this shitty game. Stop this shit. Wow. Empty, less is more, sucks. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.